Hey everyone, how's it going? It's your boy Carl back again. I want to talk to you again about the Anthony Morrison Partner Program. If you didn't check out the first video, we're talking about a system in education that allows you to learn how to make money online. What I wanted to do was go through the entire program with you, okay? So I'm going to cover a few different sessions today. So the first time I did a very quick video, just talked about session 1. Today I want to get a little bit more in depth and just have you take a look at what are the benefits to this program. What can you expect to get out of it? So again, it's a program I started in 2020 during the shutdown. I didn't have the ability to work at the time. Most of my clients were closed. I work in the hospitality industry, and most of my accounts were restaurants, and they were closed, so I couldn't make money off of them. And that's how I got into Anthony Morrison, because I was looking at, okay, I could either complete Netflix and watch everything that they have, or I could work on making money online. And that's what I did. I was searching for how do you make money online. And that's how I stumbled upon the Anthony Morrison program. So again, I want to show you a couple sessions today. We might do sessions 2 and 3. We'll just see how it goes. So minimize here. Session 2. So a big part of the initial process is the mindset. So the first video, if you remember, it talks about, succeeding and failing. Session 2, again, same thing here. We're talking about the mindset, because to make money online, to make money, period, you got to work on the mindset. You have to believe you can do it. And if you believe you can do it, then you will. Henry Ford said, if you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. So, need you to think that you can do it. All right, so again, rethink success. That's the first video. You can see here, it's about 15 minutes long. Sorry, I have allergies. Module 2, another, again, 12 principles to uncovering the entrepreneur within you, 12 minutes. Again, this is not getting into the actual process to making money online. This is just starting with the mindset. Anthony's like, hey, look, before we get started with any of that, I need to work on your mindset so that you're ready to do it. So again, if you don't recall in the first video, I always say budget about an hour to an hour and a half per session. Some sessions are shorter, like this one. Others will take you the full hour, and some of them will take you about 90 minutes to go through everything. And also, later down the road, that's when you're actually doing the work. It's going to take you about that 90 minutes to maybe 2 hours just doing the work. Like me, when I did the first time, it took me, I watched the module, then I actually did it, but I had to keep going back and rewatching to make sure I did it right. So just keep in mind that that will occur. All right, so what do we get in session 3? Session 3, what is affiliate marketing? The profit cycle blueprint, getting your basic tools. So again, it's breaking things up. You get to about session 5, 6 is where the actual work starts to happen. Up until then, it's just getting you there and understanding what are you going to be doing, what are the tools that you need to do it. That's what you're going to be dealing with. All right. So thanks very much for checking us out. If you're interested, there's a link below. That's my affiliate link. You can go to my landing page and sign up for this program. Thank you guys so much for checking it out. I'll see you next time.